Yes.
Oh, okay. Also, you can power this one with Type-C.
Yes.
So this is Elsa, and I'm with AceMagic, who make mini PCs, and it looks like something else really exciting as well over here. And Elsa got volunteered by her staff. I mean, she's the boss, but she is the one who was told to do a little bit of a booth tour with me. So, okay, do you want to show me around?
Our company first.
Yeah, sure, brilliant.
Yeah, our company called CYX Industrial in Shenzhen, China, was established in 2012. Our factory was located also in Shenzhen Longhua district. We can do OEM or ODM service, also with our own brand, AceMagic. Yeah, currently we have full range of PC, many mini PC from no entry level to high end.
Cool, great.
Also laptop from 14-inch to 17-inch.
Yeah, are they quite new, the laptop range?
Yes.
Yeah, great. Oh, so this is an eGPU dock to start with. Wow, 2 times PCIe input.
Yeah.
A1 and A2. So you could put dual GPUs in there in the image, yeah?
Yeah. This range is for AI PC workstation. AI workstation.
Okay.
And this one is for professional gaming.
Oh, I see, right.
Yes.
Yeah,
CPU support i3, i5, i7, i9, and GPU we can take Intel or NVIDIA.
Wow.
Yeah, memory and storage are optional.
And so
Memory
you're fitted
support
in...
up to 64 GB and SSD support up to 4 TB. Yes.
So you fitted dedicated GPUs inside there. That's cool.
Yes.
Yeah, really cool little
Yes.
machine that is, isn't it?
Yeah.
And not just one
And this
GPU,
one
but
is for-
3 in there.
This one is for AI workstation.
Uh-huh.
It will be suitable for some media or small companies, a server, their own server. You can see from the screen, it's offline. It's offline here. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah. And that's done that image generation entirely on those 3 GPUs in there. Cool. Yeah, that looks really good.
It supports chat box. Chat box can, DeepSeek ChatGPT available.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, here you can see it's offline. So which means it can be the software can be customized. The companies can customize their own system, and it's more security because it's offline, not open to others.
Cool.
Yes.
Makes it very secure, yeah.
Yeah. This one is our ITX PC. Here, OPS connect to TV directly. Here.
Okay.
And this one for industrial PC. Yeah. That's the high end with big core i3, i5, i7, i9. This one is our hot seller, support Intel and AMD CPU. Yes.
So S3A. Oh wow, look at that, it's got a screen on top. Cool, yeah.
Here is the new model with the touch screen. Support capacitive touch. Yeah, you can see. HDMI, Type-C, TP connect to the screen.
Yep.
Yeah, RJ45, USB Type-C. Yes. And it can be removable.
Yeah.
But you need to connect to the power. Yes. The laptop we have full range from 14 to 17 inch. The no entry will take generation 12 Adolic, N95, N97, N100, 200, 150, N200, 300.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is a dual screen laptop.
Yeah, this one is 14 inch with dual screen.
How does that?
Yeah.
Oh, it folds in that way. I see.
Yeah.
Do you want to just demonstrate that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And that's actually remarkably small still, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I just pick that up folded? Just close it for me again. I mean, that's, all of our laptops were that thick before, weren't they? They were, so that's still pretty thin. Okay, nice.
And here is the real golden, which can be customized. Put the word you want to put.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Very nice touch.
Mini PC, we have full range. No cost, like this model. N95, 100, 200.
Yeah.
Yes. USB, RJ45, HDMI, DP. The I/O ports.
Tiny, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Do you have everything?
That is very small.
Yeah. This is our new model. Support 2 Type-C. Yeah, 2 Type-C. So for the power, you can choose. DC or Type-C, optional.
Oh, so you can power this one with Type-C?
Yes. And this Type-C is for functional.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's quite a cool feature, isn't it? Because you can imagine, even here now, I could just run that off a power bank. Yeah, very interesting.
There are 2 sizes.
Yeah.
This one for no entry level with low cost, and this one for the high end, support Intel and AMD. Intel will take as generation 12, 13, 14, i3, i5, i7. And AMD CPU will take 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 series.
Cool, so lots of choice. Yeah.
Support DDR5 with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Also, 2 Type-C optional. Yes.
Yeah, I think that's the most eye-catching one, isn't it? Yeah.
Full design.
Yeah. This design is just new released. Clients say it's original playing games style.
Yeah.
Many
absolutely.
customers love it.
Yeah, it looks just like a
Yes.
NES, doesn't it? Cool. And what? So that's this one. Oh, not got a model name yet.
Yeah,
New
AMD
product.
Intel for big core.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yes.
you can have a really powerful version there. A really powerful version that looks like your Nintendo Entertainment System. Cool.
Those are the high-end series. Both support Intel or AMD CPU.
Yeah. Cool. And this one supports a lot as well.
Yeah.
So is this one is slightly larger, meaning it can stay a bit cooler maybe, or it's just the design is slightly larger for more inputs? Why is this one the slightly larger version compared to the others? Any reason?
Different design.
Just different design.
Just the casing different design. We take the similar motherboard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So this is a new series of laptops for you guys,
Yeah. New series of laptop. This one is 60 inch, 70 inch, 50 inch.
Cool. And you got the specifications there?
For high end.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for showing me around.